I just wanted to be doctor. That was the only aim of my life. So I have given NEET exam for 4 times. But in spite of multiple drops, I could not get a government medical seat in India itself. Or if you are so much ambitious that you only want to be a doctor, so you can go for MBBS abroad. That is not, that is a better option than wasting your time here or giving multiple jobs. Hello everyone, I'm Ishita Chamoli from Dehradun. And I'm going to pursue MBBS from Orenburg State Medical University, Russia. I have already passed my intermediate in 2021, and since my 11th standard, I was preparing for medical. So I have given NEET exam for 4 times. But in spite of multiple drops, I could not get a government medical seat in India itself. I just wanted to be doctor. That was the only aim of my life. So I have planned for MBBS abroad, and I chose Russia, Orenburg University for that. I was ambitious about that I want to be doctor. I want to serve my nation by feeding the people. Not actually regret, because when we are doing something like that, so I know I cannot get a government seat for that in spite of giving multiple times NEET exam. But still, there was something that I learned during these 4 years. I learned how to work hard. And the most important thing, that you cannot get succeed until you work hard and you make effort for that. That was the main thing that I learned in that. So yes, I regret, I have wasted a bit of time, but it's okay. Let's see what happens in the near future then. Well, to my juniors who are still preparing for the medical exam in India, so first of all, I would like to wish you all the very best. You do well in that, and if you do not get succeed here, so that is not end of life. Means you can plan anything else also. Or if you are so much ambitious that you only want to be a doctor, so you can go for MBBS abroad. That is not, that is a better option than wasting your time here or giving multiple jobs. I preferred Russia over other countries for MBBS abroad because it has good relations with India, and the university, it is also following the NMC guidelines thoroughly. So that was the reason I preferred Russia over other countries. I have studied about Orenburg University and get to know from people how's that. Even my friends there, even pursuing MBBS from there itself. It has a good FMG passing rate also. Proper facilities for Indian students are there. In fact, Indian representatives are there to help out the students over there. Well, actually, I'm nervous also that I'm traveling to abroad, and even excited that yes, I'll be a doctor now. So hope it will be a good experience. Yes, of course, my family, it makes my world as a whole, and I'll miss you all very much, and I love you so much.